Today I am reviewing this portable electric air pump. Super lightweight, battery powered, so there's no cord or anything like that. Comes with 4 different nozzles, 1 pump, 1 USB charger, and it has a 5200 milliamp battery, so it should last a long time. You can see it here, and I really like how these come on and off. They go like this, and I'm going to try to inflate this little pool floaty that I found in the yard, and it's been sitting. Has an off and on button right here. There's for the USB charger. Just hold this on. Let's see how it inflates it. Very quiet, which is nice, and it's doing it. Oh yeah, definitely beats blowing into it. Here's some of the other nozzles you can see here. This bigger one, carrying case, USB charger. I want to make sure this thing still works before I bother to clean it up or throw it away. So I want to make sure it holds air, so this is a good test. And yeah, this is not taking long at all. This is about less than a minute so far. And I remember last time I went to the pool with my kid with this, I had to huff into this thing for a good probably closer to 10 minutes, and I was real lightheaded. So that might be good for my breathing exercise. This is definitely a better way to go, because look at it. We're just about there. Yeah, that's a keeper. See? All inflated. Works great, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decisions.